Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the notification sound and notification tone on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. By default, set the notification sound or notification tone on your Pixel device. To change it, open the app drawer on your Pixel 10 series. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down until the sound and notification option, sound and vibration. So tap on the sound and vibration on your Pixel 10 series. Here you can see the different sound settings. Now scroll down and you can find the notification alert in the sound pattern section. So tap on the notification alerts. Here you can see the list of different category notification alerts for your Pixel device like a Pixel sounds. Here you can select your different notification sound you want to set from the default available notification tone. Select any category you and select the tone you want to set. If you want to set a custom notification sound or custom notification tone, tap on the My Sounds on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you need to select your downloaded notification sound or downloaded notification tone. So select from the any folder like audio, music. Here you can select audio downloaded notification tone here, or you can select a picture device or a Google Drive if you want to upload it on your device. So select the any audio file you want to set on your device. When you tap on it, it will automatically add it to your sound list or notification list. So just select it and tap on a save at the top right corner to save the notification sound or change the notification sound or notification alert in a Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.